today I'm going to talk about these two different platforms that you've never heard about before, and you can start getting paid right now. These completely free, no social media following is required, no experience, no skills, and it does not matter where you're coming from, as I always talk about worldwide strategies in this channel after researching for hours or even maybe days. So if you appreciate that, please like this video, give a thumbs up down below, and if you haven't already, then do myself a favor by hitting that red subscribe button and tap on the bell icon. And with that said, guys, let's jump into the site that will pay us today. This is one of the oldest sites out there, which is also why it looks so old-fashioned. This already is squishycash.com. As you can see, they have been around since 2007, guys. This also tells us something else, which is this website is not a scam whatsoever. Otherwise, this site would have disappeared long time ago. So you can see the Squishy Cash members. They have 253,106 members. Total cash payments more than $300,000, and site established since 2007, as I told you. And this is how you can get paid. Want a little extra cash? Gift cards and prizes? It's easy to earn with Squishy Cash. You can do offers, guys. Membership is always 100% free. Get paid to fill out free offers. Tech surveys, that's also okay. But you can play games, sign up for free sites, sign up for free travels, and earn cash back for online shopping. And also you can refer friends. That's a referral program. Earn passive income with our awesome referral system. Refer your friends and earn 25% of their cash offer earnings plus $1 per active referral. Get 100 friends, $100, guys. And if you don't have any time to complete these offers, this will be a good one for you. You can spend a couple of minutes a week here and refer your friends or family, and they will make money and you'll get 25% of that passive income, guys, and get paid. This is the best part, guys. Payments, gift cards, and prizes are sent next day for free. Earn even more when you participate in our daily and monthly contests. Your earnings will really start to add up. And see the sheer number of withdrawal methods, guys. All payments and rewards are sent next day via PayPal and some other gift cards, and they even pay you via Visa. This also shows us that this is a worldwide available platform too. And I know that many of you want to hear that. Yes, it will most likely work in your country. And let's go and see the payment proofs out here. You can go to this link and view all member posted proof of payments. If you have any doubts about this website, go to this link and see the payment proofs, guys. And if you scroll down, you can see some testimonials out here as well. And you can view the full list of testimonials here. And they say, what is Squishy Cash? Squishy Cash connects you to advertisers around the world, allowing you to earn cash from home by doing things you already do online every day. This is what basically Squishy Cash does. And to get started, you can go over here, enter your email address and click join. And here's the best part, you'll earn $3 for free when you sign up. And I really hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you do, like it, leave a thumbs up down below, and if you haven't already, then do myself a favor by hitting that subscribe button with notifications on. It's not OIT, guys. All in all, guys, squishycash.com is a fantastic website. It's been around forever and has very nice features. And here's the other website which will pay you today. It's called rewardingways.com. And as they say, you can get paid fast via PayPal, Skrill, and some gift cards. And also they pay Bitcoins. For those of you who are interested in cryptocurrency, this will be a good option. And what you get from the best paid service site: access online paid service, make money online, get paid today, and work from home, and it's free to join, and you will also get a bonus when you sign up. But don't worry if you don't like service as I do, there are some other options here as well, but the service are the main method, guys. You can go to Trustpilot and see the reviews of this site, and as it says, it's got 7.7 stars and the rating is excellent out of 714 reviews. You can see 85 4% of the people have rated it as excellent, 11% has rated as great. Altogether 5% has rated it as average, poor and bad. So 95% of the people are recommending this website. You can go and read the reviews if you prefer. So this is a 100% legit website, but it also shows you that people love it a lot. And as far as reviews are concerned, this is one of the best rated websites I've ever seen, guys. And if you come back to rewarding ways and if you scroll down, so far they have paid over 20 million. Wait, is that 20 million? Yeah, $20 million. That's the complete online service, and it works like this. Earn cash, we'll reward you for completing paid service and online offers. Redeem your cash using PayPal, Bitcoin or Skrill and get paid the same day. You don't have to stay for months to get paid. Earn points, watch videos, take part in paid trials, surveys and offers to earn points. For those of you who don't like surveys, you can watch videos to earn points and get paid, and you can even earn free gift cards. Redeem your points for Tango gift cards, which can be used at a variety of known retailers such as Amazon, Starbucks, Nike and many more. And also you can watch this YouTube video, how to make money online at rewarding ways. Watch that if you like, and you can see some other information about this site and the ratings here as well. They got 4.81 stars out of 5 from 405 reviews at reviews.io. And in order to get started with this site, just click join free right here. And when you go over to that, you'll get this simple sign up form. Give your first name, last name, give a username, give a password and your email address, and give your mailing addresses, your state, your country. As I said, it works worldwide. I hope your country is here, and yeah, most probably it should be there. And you can give your payout method if you prefer PayPal, Skrill, Payza, Bitcoin, and understand and agree to the site's usage policy. And this is the site's usage policy, and you can read the site's usage policy by going over to these two links. And also you can read their privacy policy and agree to that, and read their terms and conditions as well and agree to that. Verify that you're not a robot. If you're a robot, subscribe to my channel first and hit register. And after that, as you guys want me to tell you again and again, you can get paid easily. You just have to spend some time. With all of that said, guys, I would recommend you to use both of these sites I showed you, because they are both 100% legit and effective. But if you don't like surveys, then rewarding ways may not be the site for you despite its great ratings. And I also wanted to tell you that this won't make you a millionaire overnight, but these are legit websites that will pay you some money for spending a couple of minutes over here. And a shout out to my mates who commented on my last video: Blenda, Alexis, Daniela, Rhea, Michelle, and Nadia, PJ Harris. Thank you guys for your support, and comment down what you think about this video to get mentioned in my next video, guys. And if you have any questions, comment down below. I always love to read your comments and reply to them. And share with your mates, like this video, subscribe. Thanks for watching.